Thank you for clicking on T-Mez TV. I am living in Australia. We have been racing 410 wing sprint cars for the past month, traveling Australia, back to racing after getting hurt this year, and I have been enjoying myself, having a lot of fun. It feels so good to be back behind the wheel. We didn't have that good of luck in Adelaide. This is our incident, but I did get to hang out with the supercars and our buddy Troy down at Melbourne Performance Center got me hooked up with a ride down at Phillips Island circuit in this Carrera GT3 race car. I got the drone up in the air, and this place is beautiful. They're doing some sponsor rides. Basically, this team is all the sponsors, employees are here hanging out, and they're getting rides on the track in the Porsche. And when they're all done, they're gonna let me get in there. Look, I got a helmet on. I brought my own gear, but why not try the open face helmet when I'm in this, right? Why not? I am next, and they're gonna let me hold my GoPro. I'm pretty excited about this. Driving anything this nice.
You get dirtier than I do.
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
thing has some grip.
It's got some.
It's got some grip. Like, honestly, I didn't think it was gonna have G-forces like that.
Yeah.
I run Knoxville half mile with the wing car, and it's 3 Gs. And I'd say that was pretty close.
This thing, and the track is, like, this track has just been resurfaced, like, not too long ago, so there's heaps of grip out there.
It is stuck. When you got on the brakes, I was like, oh yeah, I could be tighter. But hey, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming along.
That was awesome. All right.
You got a break? You got 4 quid.
Big shout out to Melbourne Performance. Troy has a beautiful shop, absolutely stunning shop with Porsches and R8s. He got this whole thing set up, so thank you to Troy. And yeah, I'll show you the footage from then. So I'm down here at Melbourne Performance Center, and they got road race cars, and I was asking him about a simulator. And of course they have a simulator, because that's kind of the way of the world nowadays. That is an intense simulator. How often do the boys use it?
I get to use 2 or 3 times a week.
2 or 3 times a week? And when they come down there, how long do they drive?
An hour or 2.
Hour or 2?
Yep.
So you got gloves. You almost have to have gloves, or you don't have the right feel.
Yeah, well, we sort of went to the trouble of putting the Audi seat and everything in it as well. So this is the proper Audi seat.
Yep.
Audi steering wheel.
Yep.
So rather than just go for a sim wheel, we went for the...
Yeah, the whole... I mean, the only way to make it right is to make it right. And honestly, like, if I was ever to drive a right-hand drive anything, I'd almost need some time just getting familiar with. How cool is this shop? What a beautiful facility, and these R8 cars are absolutely gorgeous. And we got to ride in a Carrera Cup car with Dale Wood down at Phillips Island circuit. What a beautiful facility. What a great day. Hey, I hope you're having a wonderful day. Don't forget to go like and subscribe. I'm out.